Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to clear Google Pay transaction history, or if you want to delete your transaction in Google Pay, how you can delete from your delete your from your laptop or from your mobile also. So first, we are going to learn how you can delete from your mobile from your GPay application. So in this video we are going to learn how you can delete your gpay transaction history. So let's start with the video. Before you start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start. Let's go on my mobile screen. This process will show, I'm going to show you my Android phone, but if you are using the iPhone, you can follow the same steps. So let's start with the video. So guys, this is my mobile screen, and here I have to first open the gpay. Okay, this is my gpay account. Okay, it has been opened now, and here just okay. And if you go to and check your history, just scroll down, and here you can check your transaction history. And this is my transaction history, and if you want to delete from here, you can see there is a no option to delete. If you are unable to find delete option of your transaction history, you can go to the this step with this step. So just click on your profile photo, or go to the here you don't have. Okay, this is your profile photo of your Google account. Just click on it, and you can find here settings. Click on settings. In settings, go to the privacy and security, and here just click on data and personalization, and go to the this Google account. Okay, in short, you have to go in your Google account which you have used in your gpay. Just click on Google account. It will bring you to the my Google account with the Google Pay, my Google account of the Gmail which you have used in Google Pay. Okay, if you are using many email in mobile, you just switch from here. Okay, this happen when you use if you have many Gmail account log in your device. You just click from switch Gmail ID from here, which you have using in your GPay application. I just going to switch it. Okay, just click on this profile icon and find your email ID. This email ID I have used in GPay. Just click on it. So it will bring you the next page, which is Google my activities in Google Pay. Just scroll down, and here you can find your all transaction. Okay, you can delete one by one by clicking this into account, into sign, or you can customize from here. Just go to delete, and from here you can delete all time, means you can delete all activities. You can customize the age from here. Okay, like after before, when you can click on next, it will be delete, or you can delete from last day or last source. Okay, so if you want to delete everything, you can delete from here. Just click on all time, and it will be, you have to confirm, you have, then it will be delete. But after delete, when you go and check in gpay application, the history is still there, because it is saved in your mobile application. It is like cookies. Okay, if you go in search, check again in search history, you can find the same history here, because it is not deleted, because it is automatically saved data, which is cookies. For that, there is a two way you can use. First, go to your phone and click on settings, and find application. In application, find gpay. This is recent account. Click on open the gpay, and just go to the storage, and you can clear caches from here. After clear caches, just check whether it is deleted or not. If it's still not deleted, then there is another way. Just click on this profile, go to the setting, and just sign out from here. Okay, after sign out, just sign in again, and your 100% your transaction history from gpay will be deleted or removed. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.